Hi, I'm Caroline from Forbes Data. In this video, I'm going to talk about App Store optimization for your apps within the Apple App Store. But everyone has apps on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, so we decided to split both stores in two videos. Let's start with the most important ranking factors in Apple's App Store. The app name, subtitle, and keyword feed is not only affect your ranking in search results, but also directly affect conversion rates. App's algorithm gives most value to the app name because it's the first things user can see and try to understand what your app is about. It's also the most important feed within your description and your store listing that the algorithm come into the consideration with the start analysis your app information and try to understand which keywords you should rank for. This means put your most relevant keywords that describe what your app is about into the app title and keep it under 30 characters. So use the most important keywords and your brand name within the app title. Next field is subtitle. Subtitle is made to give additional information about the app in a sentence or emphasize the most attractive feature of the app, like app name. Subtitle has also 30 characters limit. It's visible to the top chat and into the search result, which means it's also attractive CTR and conversion rate. Their main purpose when making a subtitle should be attract the attention of potential users with the most relevant keywords. In addition, subtitle can only be updated when a new update or feature is released. It tests different versions in each update to find out the most impressive and engaging subtitle that will convert the highest number of users. Next is keywords list. It's quite simple. You tell the app for which keywords you want to find within the App Store. You have up to 100 characters that you can use to put keywords to your app. It's very important that separate those keywords by comma, but you don't need a blank space after the keywords. Because once again, an algorithm simply ignores the blank space. It's also interesting to know that you don't need to have to repeat the keywords that you are already put into the app name or into the subtitle. We just talked about the most important factor of Apple App Store optimization. But you also need to know the other factors. We first discuss the factors that are important in on-main data and how this impact on search ranking results, but also impact on conversion rates. Description is a least attractive factor for ranking, because users may read it when they land on your app page. The description can contain up to 4,000 characters and requires a new version. In fact, the most users end up reading only the first lines of the description. This means that only the few sentences matter and you need to communicate the functionality of your apps in the most active ways possible. When users find your application, the first thing they usually see the icon. Therefore, it will influence the user decision to download your app. Embrace simplicity and create icons that are easy to recognize and attractive. When you find an app you are interested in and go to that app page, the first placeholder in the visual section belongs to the application per videos. The second thing that affects user is screenshot of your app. Those videos and the screenshots are designed to show the app's user experiences and UI in a more engaging way. So make sure it's as dramatic as possible. There are some factors that you can control. Since ratings are displayed in the search result and reviews can be seen on the app's page, ratings are more helpful version rates. Don't let your rating fall below 30.5 and pay attention to user who gives you bad reviews and understand the user needs. And don't forget to reply to bad reviewers. It's a way to turn public opinion around. If you are looking for a way to improve ASO efficiency right now, then Fox Data is your best ASO partner. You should know, which provides mobile apps analytic ASO service and helps you plan your app's growth. This helps you find a right way to your apps and mobile games. So get it a try and increase your app store downloads.